Hi guys, my name is Samarth and I'll be teaching you mathematics for the course. I am a BTech IT graduate from BIT Vellore, and so let's get started with the course. So your first chapter is quadratic equations. So what are quadratic equations? So first of all we need to understand what is a term. So if you put a variable and a constant, by constant I mean a number, and variable I mean xyz, right? So when you put these together, a variable and a constant, then this is called a term. And when you put different terms together, separated by arithmetic operators, then the collection of those terms is known as an equation. So first we know what is an equation. Now what is a quadratic equation? So an equation where a variable has the highest degree 2, or we can say that a variable is squared, is called a quadratic equation, right? So now we know what is a quadratic equation. Now what are the ways to solve a quadratic equation? Now what by solving quadratic equation we mean that we need to find the value of the variable. That is, maybe if the variable is x, we need to find the value of x. Now how many solutions can a quadratic equation give? So since the degree of x is 2, so we'll determine the number of solutions by the degree of x, right? So x square means that we'll get two solutions, two values of x for a given quadratic equation. Now the values may be different from each other, may be the same, may be real, or may be complex. So how to solve a quadratic equation? So in order to solve a quadratic equation, there are multiple ways how by which we can solve the quadratic equation. So one method is factorizing the quadratic equation. So identifying the factors, we can easily get the number of solutions, that is 2. We can get the factors of that equation, and then we can get the value of x. And then another way is completing the square. Then another way is using the quadratic formula, that is which is a given formula, and you have to just put in the values and you'll get the answer. So we'll look these concepts in the next class. So for now, you have your exercise is to play with different quadratic equations, and let me know in the next class. Thank you so much.